Hello, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of all the members of the BTS Korean group. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce them correctly in Korean, or as close as we can, starting with Park Jimin. Park Jimin. We're going to be looking at how to say them overall again one more time, so stay tuned until the end. Hoseok, Hoseok. Suga is Yoongi, Yoongi. Jin is another Kim Seokjin, Seokjin. RM is Kim Namjoon, Namjoon. Jungkook, Jungkook. And finally, V is Kim TaeHyung, Tae-hyung. So let's do this one more time. Jungkook, Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Yoongi, Hoseok, Park Jimin. And now you know them all, I believe. Like this video if you found it useful, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations, including of other member groups' names from K-pop and more music celebrity names. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.